In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 5 credit myths that might be holding your credit score back. My name is Vernell Watson. I'm the founder of a credit improvement company called Fortune 800. And we've been getting results that look like this, and like this. And if you want results that look like that, I want you to stay tuned for the rest of this video because I'm going to be breaking down 5 credit myths that might be holding back your score. Now, here's the first one. A cosigner is not responsible for a debt. Never, 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 especially if you have great credit score, never co-sign for somebody, because if they couldn't pay back their creditors in the past and they cannot get a loan now, there's a good chance that they won't do it in the future, therefore ruining your credit score, and they will come after you, whether it's a car loan company, a credit card company, home loan, whatever the case may be. They're going to come for you after that person defaults on the loan or after they stop paying on whatever loan it may be. So don't co-sign for anybody, and you are responsible for a debt if you do co-sign on it. Myth number 1. Number 2, checking your score too much will hurt your score. You can check your score as much as you want and it won't affect your score at all. There's a difference between a soft pull and a hard pull. A soft pull is just when you are checking your credit and you are just doing it just to see, versus a hard pull, which will lower your score a little bit when you go apply for a credit card, a car loan, a home loan. That's somebody else checking your credit score to extend you some line of credit, and that will lower your score, not checking your own credit score. So 2, checking your credit score too much will hurt your score. Not true. Number 3, paying a collection will boost your score. The reason your score will not go up if you pay a collection is because it's still a negative account. Now, depending on the balance, it might move your score anywhere from 5 to 10 points if you pay it, but that's usually just because the collection has aged and is having less effect on your credit score currently. It usually has nothing to do with you paying it. So let's say you have a $1,000 collection, $1,000 collection, you pay it down to $0. Now, there's no balance on this collection account, but you still have a collection account on your credit report. Therefore, your score will still be suffering due to the collection account. Now, number 4, I hear this a lot. Credit repair is illegal. There's nothing illegal about credit repair. All it is the process of figuring out which negative items are reporting inaccurately or have inaccuracies on the account, sending letters out to the credit bureaus, collection agencies, and original creditors to get them removed, and just repeating the process until you have everything removed that you can have removed off of your credit report. Nothing illegal about that. There's people who do things within the industry of credit repair that are illegal. Some of the people that you might hear say, get your credit repaired in 30 days, get your credit repaired in 10 days. Whatever the crazy date is, whether it's 30, 60, however many days, that stuff is usually illegal. But a regular credit repair company or a credit repair company that's focused on getting results is not doing anything illegal. And the last myth, it takes 7 years to improve your score. Now, anything negative on your credit report is going to, without you disputing it or working with a credit repair company, right, is going to last 7 years, 180 days on your credit report from the date of last activity. And that means anytime you made a payment, any activity on the account, it's going to report for 7 years, 180 days. Now, you can wait this out, whether it be a collection account, late payments, or you can hire a company that knows what they're doing to get proven results to get this removed earlier. So you do not have to wait 7 years, and there's many different ways or many different strategies that you can use to boost your score in the meantime. So you do not have to wait 7 years to improve your credit score. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with 5 friends who might believe these 5 credit myths so they know the truth about their credit score.